Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to solve WhatsApp notification sound problem. Here are the steps to solve WhatsApp notification sound problems on your mobile phone. First, check your phone's volume. Make sure media and notifications volume is turned up. Check WhatsApp notification settings. Open WhatsApp, Settings, Notifications. Ensure notification tone has have music selected. Check chat specific notifications. Open a chat. Tap contact name. Go to notifications. Ensure notifications are enabled and the mute is toggled off. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Go to settings again. Sound. Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's off. Restart WhatsApp. Close the app fully and reopen it. Restart your phone. Rebooting can fix temporary glitches. Check system notification settings. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, WhatsApp, Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications and Play Sound are enabled. Check notification permissions. Go back to WhatsApp, Permissions. Ensure notifications permission is granted and on the allowed section. Update WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store to update WhatsApp if available. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings again, Apps, All Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Check battery optimization by going to Settings, find Battery Optimization, WhatsApp, set to Not Optimized if available. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.